Kikinhon no hikai bekentop ya Meghalaya SSA Schools Association Keseng Kemir, Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association gila pelong yang program pun kuburam bekerpang hasilong na kebentaban penpau kejing sengungu ya ke sorkar jela. Kani kejang kuburam kadai hadian bagi sorkar kelawan ra eka structured pay framework kebelawan ra eka jing sengan ya kakam bat kejing bah kayok kokot ki hajar ngot kinai kai SSA bat ki fourth teacher sekeleng kejela Meghalaya. La ban kedau hang ni bagani kejing ai ya kerkom siu tulap ke betamai kan ai jing mentoi ru bat kinai kai ad hoc kinai kai RMSE ru unju. Habakran kani kesingi kumukong san menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pau kejing sengungu ke bakrau ya kini ki association nomor kadai ke bakam nyar ban i bikin dalam sorkar kinyo ikini kikentian sengungu lupat bar. Ula kedau benaduk kesenam arajar kat Andriau habau danglong udukot ak yang darbar parlimen ule dan pentalang hak nek jingyak denti ban matau senguhun bagi sorkar kelalak penuan ra ak jing pembet ke bapaka ke bapen shisha ke buram bikin hikai ke depan yo. Ule ro ak jing silur bagi jing syak jing hikai ke belia ling bagi lenti ke be banik khoniala ka hok. Menteri Rangba ulaban bagi jinglut ke bagi sorkar kale hakani ka kam kadai ka jingkin show ka bakraw no kumenta kalau ke jela betul kentu ya pro kino hikai ki kimeki pa bagi officer bakin bo yo kena pulih kamat ya abaro kirai ke bagi shim lor kimat berang saat teng ki bakin top irkom shim syuti ke maternity leave kiram menteri rangba ulu kular bagi sarkar kendang toket bat bishar bnia ikam hagar kom ke babiang berule kentu kino hikai ban aipor ke sarkar ban shim ya ka rai ke bapura usembut menteri rangba ke jelau ba preston tunsong ulu pentep bahadian ke jingjob ban penbiang ya ka pia structure kino hikai ke sarkar menta ke shim ka rai ban penbah segi school secondary but higher secondary ulapan kan mau ke jing terishitam ke sarkar nanduk senam arhazar khat pra ha ka ba kila hablech do Delhi ban kendo ya menteri pelatengah ke sarkar pedang na kebenta ban pelat ke pisa ke basa ateng ke bekenjo hado lai sepak keluar tengkah ulaban bagi sarkar kelas syemekarai ban penti kena bagi jing trai jengki kan omkut no na dekut ke skim mereka nyat bet kat kumkur kom terekam ke beti kena ula kentu ina hikai ban trelang bagi sarkar ban penurlong ikni jing angnut kenang ban wan ra ikan nam ke bakrau ya ke jela Meghalaya hakaliang ke Pule Putih. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ubala kemen romboi ulaban halor ke jingdan kam ban kentiu ke kedan puli ha ke jela. Bat ban pas bah ya ke Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET. Ula penting bagi sarkar ke lapan mi guidebook bat ke DERT kan ai gelap jingarap baro ban penbit penbiang ikino hikai bikin pas kena ke eksamen. Ula maham bah haduk kasih terik unai luar arjar arpunyo lada ke yang syari Supreme Court kam kelai ke hukum juga ke sarkar kan amla asyo benerap. Namar bagi sarkar kelada ban file ke review petition. Ula kentu gina hikai ban peni ke jing start bagi jing iat ika kam daga betrish tam ban pas ke MTET. Namar ke sarkar kam dan keno ke jing temu ban penpai ia kitu ki betrish tam. Ula penpau bagi Puli Putih kalong ke riset badan kam tam ba ula kentu ya kino hikai. Ban penkrek ba kenang ba ke jelakan kiau ha kaliang Puli Putih leng ba ke jing long kawai.
That also was cleared. That was the starting point that we prove our seriousness and our sincerity towards our beloved teachers. And my dearest teachers, therefore, today is the second milestone that you have. Menta kasngi kadai kasngi ka bansa jingken mau pateng la pateng baleng ong kumta na marba kito kisngi kisdem ki benai ki balalek no ki bangi ong ba ka SSA scheme kan kut no daki pawajar ngut kinong ikai kalak ban poi kapor bakin yap tangan ar hajar ar pusan kum mga ong menne yasyong haka meeting ke jongi ha kabinet bat ke department nakapor sa kapor ban pentik na bakata kajing artatin bat kajing rit mensim ke jongpi bangin weng no hadu bapinye song thai and it has happened today nong hikai ba e kene kala jiang yo i ka dur ka khmat ka ba phu sam rakhi jong pi namar balada phi ong sa kumnu ro phin song thai kat kum kapor balabu ban song thai ngidaya keren ka face ka balai ka bangi na ka comment ka beginship. The third challenges that we have now is about the secondary and the higher secondary level. This is the next steps that we are going to take a decision, the toughest decision. Ngin penbit penbiang yaki secondary but ki higher secondary. Kidi ki school ki bingi ong haka keteng ka adhok kalak biang. Pras pak klur tam si nem mudun bingi pelut. Pras pak klur tam bingi pelut. Nak kebentakan ni kala primary but ke upper primary level. Mentang istang work out kumno bangin improve ngin penbit penbiang saya ka secondary but ka higher secondary ban ngait scam ladingi la ban le saya kide ki arteli ngait scam baka jelam egla jongi kan keladur pateng la pateng ngait scam mapi kinong higai ba i Pinya trelang ban ni kup ka sorkan ban pen urlong ya kani. Our honorable chief minister, we shared from time to time. He said he used to call me awang. Desakli di perlok nong ikai karu kamu di you awang. I call him awang, he call me awang. Because we have taken a decision that let us bring reformation for the secondary and the higher secondary.
Stations, and most importantly, I thank all the teachers. It is your commitment that has made all of this possible today. I thank the authors of our education policy way back in 2019. Those who had created the actual vision, the roadmap of how education should move forward. I thank those members. I thank the members of the Education Commission, who again brought the policy, the desire to take education forward, the needs of the teachers, the policy complexity, and the political situation, all of that together, and came out with solutions that are workable so that we can actually improve the education system as a whole. I thank all the other stakeholders who have made this day a possibility. Thank you for all the support and help that you had given. For me, personally, this is maybe one of the most satisfying days in the last many, many years of working for the people and serving the people. Because it is days like these that we work towards and we strive towards. All the pressure we take every single day from early morning to late night is to be able to do something good for our people. I have always believed that the greatest satisfaction for me is to be able to bring a smile to my people's face. And today there are 23,000 smiles, and the family members put together maybe about 100,000 smiles are there today. And of course, the students, if they put them together, there'll be many, many lakh smiles that we are being able to achieve. And that is a true satisfaction for any leader, and especially for me, to see that we are being able to serve and make the difference and take those tough decisions, decisions which are normally not so easy to take. I wish I could show you the pictures of the moment when we actually took that decision. I have it in my mobile, but I could not put it up on the screen. So I actually have the moment because my cameramen were there. And they clicked the picture of the moment where we said, yes, we're going to do this. But you should have seen the face and the tension on the finance department's face. And therefore all of us are tense, but the finance department's officials concerned had an even more tense face. And you would be able to see the complexity and the difficulty with which we took the decision. But as correctly mentioned by all the speakers who spoke before me, this expense or this financial impact that we are going to have cannot be judged in terms of the rupees we spend. It can only be judged in terms of the lives that we transform. It can only be judged in terms of how we will take Meghalaya state forward. It can only be judged through how we will be able to create more responsible, qualified, and better citizens for our state and for our country. And hence, if you look at money and try to value or put a cost in it from a monetary point of view, I think we are missing the picture. I think we are missing the point, we are missing the purpose and the goal. We aspire to see Meghalaya as one of the top 10 states in the country. That dream can never be fulfilled if education is not kept as our priority. If education sector does not move forward, that dream of ours, we may reach it, but it will be a very short-lived dream. And hence, education is and will always be the top priority of our government.